Sa deck 16 ng barko. Nasa 16th floor kami sa midship. Mamaya dyan tayo magsiswimming Dito kami sa deck 15. Kitang kita yung pool bar mula dito sa taas.
Doon tayo sa kabilang spot. Ay, pinaka-chopping nila.
Maligam-gam. Wow. Paalis na yung barko. Paalis na yung barko guys, kaya nag-iingay na ang tambuso. Nagpa-deliver kami ng food dito sa swimming pool. Ayun na siya. Good evening. Yeah, she's. Thank you. What's your name? Yeah. What's your name? Basilia. Thank you, Basilia. From Thailand? Indonesia. Terima kasih.
So one beef burger and one double decker club sandwich.
Okay. Only that? Coca-Cola?
Coca-Cola
Not there or the bar?
by the bar. Maybe
Okay,
it's coming.
maybe. Okay. Thank
Enjoy.
you. Thank you. Terima kasih. Bye-bye.
For the start, this for me, that's for you.
Okay.
And we'll see what's inside. So this is
Club
sandwich.
house with coleslaw and potato
Is it a club
chips.
sandwich?
Yes, it is.
Oh.
Yeah, club house with toast bread.
The other one is hamburger.
Beef burger. Ooh.
Oh.
Where's my coleslaw? Here. Oh.
Takot malaglag.
Open mo yan. Oh, mayo and ketchups. Good evening. Tara, kain tayo. Cheers. Time now is 8:45 na ng gabi at katatapos lang namin umahon dito.
Nagkakapatuyo lang ako.
It's go. Balik na kami ng aming room.
Gonna take a
Siguro dito
shower.
na lang tayo.
Dito sa loob.
Yeah.